Yeah, this is the continuous string of the our previous string that where we have stuck into the waiting time. But now we come out from the waiting time, and now you can see over in our screen. This is the 2024 powertrain update. This is the our first stream would be in this year, in the start of this year, the 2024, and you are looking to the test engineer on the National Plus and designer and as the CMO Gaurav Joshi. And I welcome you to get know about the powertrain update. That's what we have made over. So we will never waste our time. So let's jump on to our the main topic where we have described that what we have made the modification that will change the entire powertrain infrastructure. So this would be not only the powertrain. This would be the very just like a modified the places that where will be install our the systems and any of that other things. So just hold a minute. I will be the turn on the new slide. Hope okay. You can see over on the screen. Here is I don't know. It's not clearly looks and clearly visible from the your perspective, but I will be explaining all about that. So just see over on the screen. This is the very little bit information and almost 0.1% ratio of the information about the whole system. So I will not disclose any of that or the information that we have made and what we have got because I don't want to disclose and just want to leak all of the information that we have made and modified and customized by our ourselves, just like a copyright thing. So this is the copyrights that we have been on from the ourselves. So I will not disclose. Just see over there what is that mechanism, what is that infrastructure that we have made. This is very little bit that we will not uh, familiar with this because I have been said the lots of thing here before I show you this thing. Because I have a promise you will see the lots of things that we have modified in our powertrain. So this is only the half of the part of the entire information, our entire update that we have done. So this part you can see all the information in the next video, in the next stream, whenever that stream will start. And so everything is so intact. We have to do it. Only thing is explain. Okay, doesn't matter how much you got information. At least you getting the information from other. It's very satisfying thing, and the satisfaction of this thing is very high level. So you have to take the information from the other people who is willing to tell you and who have lots of information. Just taking the information and trying to refine that information in your language, in your the way and articulate to the other. So for the expanding that knowledge in your brain. So that is the process. How to be a genius in a reality. Just see over here again. I will be not saying that topic because I don't want it to expert. I don't want it to waste my time. So see over here, the power axle management. So what you will see the what is that square? What is that the rectangle? What you are just showing us. So it's about the whole thing. Just like to see, you can see there is a differentiate between those rectangles, and this is the vertical rectangle and horizontal rectangle. So the horizontal rectangle, we will start from the horizontal rectangle. So where in the back side, you can see the upper side of the our screen, there is a horizontal rectangle. In that rectangle, have written the power axle management. So before I explain this, just see how the vehicle does work. Okay, you can see the upper screen, and on the direction upper screen, you can see over there the power asset management. So before we go to know about this thing, we have to know about how the vehicle does work. I will be not explain about the vehicle fundamentals, but at least you have to know what's the direction, what's the place where the engine will be installed. So just see if you're seeing you can see this for the example. I just take that for the explain. So just see if this side is a neutral and if this side has a power, so vehicle will be remains a constant and very stable because the vehicle will run on the road very stable because it has only the one-sided engine, one-sided propel and driven unit, power unit, which can drive the vehicle on a forward and backward. So, as of this thing, here's I have explained. Just turn this vehicle as a this way, and you will see the upper part of that thing is our the power axle and the downward side of that thing is the SCS axle regeneration management unit. Also that as the power axle management, where that part has the power unit, that's called the power management system. Where the engine placed, engine entity exists. Okay. So just like the recall in engineering, automobile engineering language, that's the alive axle and dead axle. In a dead axle, we have a neutral axles. There is a no engine. But in a dead axle, we have the power unit and any of that other engines who will be propel this thing. So just like this, we have to change a lot of things. Right? Just like the in a conventional vehicle, as also in our conventional electric vehicle, they're still using the neutral axle for the four-wheel drive vehicle. They will put the electric motor to the property. But in a few cars, it doesn't support. So the neutral axle is also will be the unused the most of that. So I decided to use that part to generate the energy. So how I did this? So look for the interesting story. Just see this how this thing does work. If you will be anticipate more. Okay, so just see. We will be start from the third part. So the power axle management. So power axle management will be same as the conventional vehicle. There will be the powertrain as that has in the other vehicle, and there will be the elements set. And now you will say, what's the difference in this powertrain? So here's a difference in the speed gearbox. There we will be changing the many various things that has been in a engine like powertrain. So the powertrain internal gear system will be changed as per our the requirement. So that's only update that I will tell. I will not disclose anything that I have said over here before do I say this thing. So I will not explain. Sorry. Just explain about that. We will be changing the gear ratio and gear integrations. But in a side of the FCS power management system, like a degeneration system management. So the SCS means so you know about this. The you are actually aware. I hope you might be aware about this. The self-charging system, regeneration management. So regeneration management means the this system will be helps you and help us and relay and gives the better way to get the energy to the charge the backup battery. Also, the following about the all the engineering diagram and all that we have done uh, in our in our lesson of the self-charging technology. That is the following that subject topic. There we will be place the alternator to they get the energy from the momentum into the electricity. So also that the thing would be same, but that the neutral axle will be used for regenerate the energy from the momentum of the whole vehicle. So that's is a very different thing. It's not different because every like some car has a used this thing already, but I have a change in lot of things, so I will not explain that all things. These all the updates in this video in this stream. I hope I will explain in a next video, next stream, whenever I got time, whenever I come back again. So I will be explaining that time. See you. See you. This SCS, as you have understood about this, the self-charging system is energy management in a downward in a downward place. So just see in another part that there is a orange and the black side vertical rectangle. What they are showing us, what they are showing us is literally the question mark. Just see over there, you can see. So those are the rectangle is will be used for use as a and show them they are showing us that's the backup battery and the primary battery. In the black side, you will be recognize the backup battery. In the orange side, you will be recognize the primary battery, which is our main battery, who will be give the all power to the all internal appliance and the equipment to the all in the across the vehicle to the running on the road and do the all functions. And the backup battery will be store the energy which is provided by the SCS axle regeneration management system. That system will be provide the very sufficient energy to the backup battery to store it immediately until the requirement not needed. So that's all the process and recycle process will be continue the requirement as a need. Very, 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 very complex. But you have to turn that thing. So also I want to say again, on orange side that the primary battery, main battery, black side, backup battery. So it's a novel information that I have been given here. Just I have given here, and Steam had over, and I will be go out. So I hope you all have enjoyed the stream. I hope you have all seen my attitude. What's the attitude today? My is everything is done here, and all of the 2024. This year will be very impractical for us. I don't know what's the chances that we will get to uh, do it in a practically, but impractical will be the higher chances to me. I'm not sure about this. So the impractical thing will be a very, very usual for this year. I will try. I will try. It's a financial crisis. Everything will be managed soon. I hope you all have enjoyed my stream. And whoever have enjoyed because nobody is saying nice thing. I'm not making you to see. I'm just saying this is my over antiism, over habit and hobby, whatever I'm doing here. That's my whole thing. That's always engaged my mind to do this. Information is released my mind. That's the biggest thing ever I got. Hope you will have enjoyed this thing. And I hope you will